Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing, and what I'm about to show you is the difference between a account that's maintenance on a monthly basis or every 2 months basis and a new account. As you see in the previous video, we popped some gum. We had a lot of gum to pop. This is a similar business, just in a different area. We've been doing this one every month for about a year and a half, something like that. And I'm going to show you right now all the gum that was in this entire sidewalk. I'm going to pop each piece of gum. Now notice a couple of things. Number one, the gum's not black. It's still in color, which means it still has, you know, the fresh put down properties. It's not gotten walked on a lot. It's not gotten trampled. It's not picked up a lot of grease and oil and crap like that to make it look bad. Number two, notice that I do not have to use my wand to get it up. All I have to do is use my ball valve and heat. So I pop on the heater right there, I let it heat the water up, and I didn't even let it get fully hot. That's how soft the gum is when it's brand new and just month to month. But anyway, that's the big difference. 2 pieces of gum, that entire area come up in like 10 seconds, boom. This now no longer has any grease, oil, dirt, or gum on it. They're ready for another month. We'll see you here in 30 days. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.